Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, I completed the lesson 7 and 8 for you, right, children? But we did not completed the textbook part, right? Today we are going to complete the textbook part, lesson 7, children. Okay, I will write it on the board. You have to follow. Everyone, take out the page number 88. Once again, take out the page number 88 from your EVS textbooks, children. Okay, that is chapter 7, houses. Okay. Houses. I completed the lesson, but we did not complete it in the textbook, right? Now we will see the practice zone number 1, children. Practice zone 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Practice zone 1. In the short form, I am writing PZ1. Okay, children? Fill in the blanks. First bit is fill in the blanks. Okay. Number 1. A1 is A dash protects us from the heat of the sun. Do you know the answer, children? I think you know. If you don't know, read the textbook once. Okay, children? A dash protects us from the heat of the sun. The answer is houses, children. Write down. Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. B1. Dash houses are made of mud, bamboo, leaves and straw. Do you know the answer, children? Okay. Second answer, that is B1, is kacha houses. Kacha. Write down. Kacha. C1. Dash houses are mostly found in cities. Which houses mostly found in cities, Nana? Pakka houses. What is that? Pakka. Okay, children. These three you have to write in your textbook. And one question is there in the practice zone. In the practice zone, one question is there. What is that? What is a Pakka house? What is it made up of? Okay, right? Okay, children. Now I will send it in the WhatsApp. Okay, this answer I will send. Now we will see another bit, that is practice zone 2. Practice zone 2. Now page number 91. 91. Can you see the pictures, children? 91. Practice zone 2. What is this, Nana? Identify this picture. This is a houseboat. Yes? Write down. Houseboat. These are all special type of houses. House boat. First picture, houseboat. First picture is houseboat. And second one is, now see. Second one is, see the house. The house stands on the strong bamboo pillars. What we call that, it as stilt house. Nice? Yes, children, right? Stilt house. You have to write. Okay, complete your textbook now. Identify this picture 3. Picture 3. Like a tent it is, right? We call it as tent. Write down tent. Now fourth one is. Now can you observe this picture? What is this? It is igloo, children. Igloo. Okay? Very good. Now you have to complete page number 91, children. I will send it through the WhatsApp also. Now we will see the practice zone 3. Practice zone 3, children. Here I will write. Okay? PZ. First one. An ideal house should have proper ventilation, right, children? An ideal house should have proper ventilation. If it is correct, you have to put here true. If it is wrong, you have to keep here false. Okay, children? First one is an ideal house should have proper ventilation. It is true. Write down true. Page number 93. Okay. There should be loose electrical wires in a house. Is it correct statement? No. No. False. False it is. Why it is false? There should be loose electrical wires in a. There should be a loose electrical wires in a house. Is wrong statement. False that is. Okay. Third one is a proper sanitation system prevents illness. A proper sanitation system prevents illness. That is true. Means proper sanitation system means what? No, I told you in the lesson. The wastewater outlet should be there to every home. Every home should have a pipeline, drainage pipelines. From that, the wastewater will go. Yes? Okay? A proper sanitation system prevents illness is true. Now, garbage should be thrown everywhere or anywhere openly. Garbage should be thrown anywhere openly is correct? No? Yes, children? It is false statement. We have to throw the garbage in the dustbin only. Okay? Okay, children. Complete all this in your textbook. And one more practice on 4 also is there, Nana. I will read. Mark the sentence as safe or unsafe. Rohan is using a blade to sharpen his pencil. It is safe or unsafe? He is using the blade. No, it is unsafe. You have to write unsafe. Unsafe. I will rub it and write for you. Here I will rub. Practice zone 2 I will rub and write for you. Okay? Unsafe. First one is unsafe. Practice zone 4. First one is unsafe. B1 is Kavita is very careful while cutting paper with scissors. You have to be very careful while cutting the papers with scissors. It is safe, right? Right, safe. Sarthak is touching an electrical switch with wet hands. It is unsafe. He is touching with wet hands. No, it is unsafe. Okay, children? You should not touch the electrical wires with wet hands. Shika is taking the help of an adult to light crackers. Shika is taking the help of an adult to light crackers is safe for her. Safe. Okay, children, write it and complete in your textbook. Okay, children, with this I stop and next lesson bits and notes I will continue in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.